Namaskar, I am Sonali Kulkarni and you're watching me on News 18 Shosha. वैसे I am an actor, लेकिन today I am meeting you in a capacity of an author. Let's start. Thank you so much. I am very happy with the response of the first book. The second book is called So Cool Take 2, and I'm hoping that people will appreciate a person's growing up more, because initially I had written it about 7 to 10 years back, and people loved the enthusiasm, the spontaneity, and from the heart conversation. This time all these qualities are there, but at the same time, as a person, you keep growing and you have a better understanding of life, people, situations, and probably emotions. So everything is reflected in my writing, and I'm very happy that my editors never told me to hold back from any expression. I was never given a topic to write. They are all my expressions, something that has come from my heart. So I really hope that the way audience relates to performances, readers will be able to relate with Take 2 as well. That's a tricky one because I enjoy acting. There is no way I'll be able to weigh either or. Just that I don't get enough time for writing. I enjoy my actor's life so much, and thanks to a variety of openings, variety of platforms, we have theatre, we have ad films, web shows, short films and whatnot. So I always feel that time is something which is very challenging, and given a chance, what I would do is I would like to groom the writer in me much more. As an actor, I keep doing my exercises, and I love holding solo workshops for myself or group workshops where I get to where I can drop myself to a zero and rise above. As an actor, there is a long way to go, and I've had a chance to meet some really wonderful, legendary writers in my life. So I have a long way to go as a writer. I really hope, आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर, क्योंकि I always consider myself chief AD when I'm on the film sets, and last assistant to the writer, dialogue writer and writer. Whenever I have any suggestion, I love connecting with the writers and ask them कि अगर ये ऐसा कर सकते हैं. So if tomorrow anybody feels like dramatizing or featuring these articles into films, that translation is most welcome beyond languages. I started with working, I started my career with variety of languages, working with some interesting writers and directors. I started with Cheluvi, which was a Hindi feature film, which was a Kannada folk tale, which Girish Karnad had written and directed. I started from there, and I have always felt inclusive. I have always felt proud to be an Indian. The richness of our country is having variety of languages, cultures, religions, castes. Every region brings their own smell to the story. So I feel today's time is the correct time to call our creations Indian, because we are no more shy, or we are no more taking pride in showing that film ka hero kahin foreign se aaya hai and everybody is in awe. Our country is offering enough facilities, academics and glamour to the world. So for a change, those who felt, it's better out there, they'll have to change their thoughts. And I always felt proud to be a Maharashtrian working in Indian cinema because it's my mother tongue. But I'm happy that Indian cinema's recognition has gone far bigger and our filmmakers will get better funds and better exposure. मैं ये इल्ज़ाम कभी सहन नहीं करूँगी, याद रखो. They can't point out at Marathi, but definitely they can be hungry to have good writers in all over Indian natak, cinema and web space. We have good writers, but we need to groom them well. We need to give them enough credit, enough talent fees, because at times they are not taken care. At times there are ghost writers or writers who aren't mentioned and the credit is given to the chief writer or something like that. This is the time I feel that we need to acknowledge that it is the writer who brings a story alive on a paper, and then only then we can create characters and we can talk that for this role I had done that and I learned this. ये सब फैंसीगिरी हम तब कर सकते हैं when the writer is given enough importance. So I never feel that we don't have good talent when it comes to writing. We definitely have. It's just that writers का भी casting होना चाहिए and writers को भी अच्छी talent fee मिलनी चाहिए. Actors remain constant, I feel, because we are postmen. We have to deliver the letters and we have to read them too. So we are constant. Films are definitely director's medium. So is theatre. There is nothing without a director, because at times I say, I know acting very well by now. I have worked for decades in this industry. So what if there is no director for a project, for a natak, for a play or for a film? I can learn my lines, I know how to deliver them. So why do we need a director? Because he will definitely give a direction to my emotion. It is not about just saying your lines one after the other. It is about how you say it, how you listen to the other actor. That is why we need a director, and be it theatre or films, director is very, very, very important. How beautiful is that? It would be for my upcoming film Bebinka by Sachin Kundalkar. I mean, so many. I keep meeting people at Signal, or I recently met someone in Pune. She had come for my Pune book launch, and one of the fans, readers, she came up to me and she had a tiny earring, and she told me that you had written an article about earrings, how you like them. So here is one that I had made for you. So I was too touched. Fantastic. So it is going to be all spices. So gulab jam, dil chahta hai, and katsa limbu. Please believe me, I cook really well. Sonali Bendre is coming shortly, so my chief guest, I will request her if she can be with me on the show. So Sonali and our common co-star Aamir Khan. I'm absolutely fine being here. 2025 Zindabad. Dosa. So I can answer this in one line. On my first film set, my only worry was to touch elders' feet. I just wanted to go and touch Girish uncle's feet, Nachiket and Jayu Patwardhan's feet. My cameraman Rajiv Menon was too handsome to go and touch his feet. But many others who were there on the set. My hairdresser, I don't remember her name, but she was elderly. So I wanted to take their आशीर्वाद because I just felt that, you know, बड़ों के आशीर्वाद लेने चाहिए, ये कुछ बड़ा पहले दिन का काम है. And I wanted to take B Jayashree ma'am's आशीर्वाद as well, but the first shot was she giving me a slap. तो मुझे पूरे आशीर्वाद मिले हैं. पृथ्वीचं प्रेमगीत. युगामागुनी चालली रे युगे ही करावी किती भास्करा वंचना, किती काळ कक्षेत राहू तुझ्या मी कितीदा करू प्रीतीची याचना. गो लर्न दिस फर्स्ट स्टॅन्झा ऑफ कुसुमाग्रजच पृथ्वीचं प्रेमगीत.